Ever dreamt of running your own online store? The freedom to be your own boss, curate a collection of awesome products, and watch the sales roll in? Sounds pretty dreamy, right? But then reality hits. Stocking inventory, managing logistics, dealing with customer service. It all seems overwhelming. That's where the magic of dropshipping comes in. No warehouses, no mountains of inventory. Just you, your online store, and a supplier who handles everything else. But with so many dropshipping platforms out there, how do you choose the right one? One name that frequently pops up is AliDropship. They offer a complete solution for dropshipping entrepreneurs, promising a seamless way to launch your online business. But have you ever stopped to wonder who exactly is behind AliDropship? Today, we're diving deep to uncover the ownership of AliDropship. We'll explore the company's history, its team, and the vision that drives this platform. So, buckle up, aspiring dropshippers, because this might just influence your decision. I found out about Yaroslav Nevsky, CEO and co-founder of AliDropship. From humble beginnings to e-commerce powerhouse, AliDropship's story starts back in 2014. A team of passionate entrepreneurs in Eastern Europe, frustrated by the limitations of existing dropshipping solutions, decided to take matters into their own hands. They envisioned a platform that was user-friendly, affordable, and packed with features to empower anyone to launch a successful dropshipping store. And that's exactly what they built. AliDropship started as a small team with a big dream, and through dedication and innovation, they've grown into a leading force in the dropshipping industry. The mastermind behind the magic. While the specific details of AliDropship's ownership structure remain private, what we do know is that it's a team effort. A group of talented individuals with expertise in e-commerce, technology, and marketing drive the platform forward. Here's a glimpse into the kind of minds that power AliDropship. E-commerce gurus. These folks understand the ins and outs of dropshipping. They leverage their experience to develop features and resources that cater to the specific needs of dropshipping entrepreneurs. Tech wizards. The brains behind the platform's functionality. They constantly work on improving the user experience, integrating new features, and ensuring the smooth operation of AliDropship. Marketing mavens. The team that gets the word out about AliDropship. They understand how to attract potential dropshippers and showcase the platform's value proposition. While we may not know the names of the individual owners, it's clear that AliDropship is fueled by a passionate team with a deep understanding of the e-commerce landscape. A vision for the future of dropshipping. AliDropship isn't just about providing a platform. It's about empowering a new generation of entrepreneurs. Their vision is to make dropshipping accessible to everyone, regardless of technical expertise or financial background. They believe that anyone with the drive and dedication can build a successful online business. This vision is evident in their commitment to user-friendliness. Their platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for complete beginners. They also offer comprehensive resources, tutorials, and customer support to help dropshippers navigate the world of e-commerce. Who owns AliDropship? While the specific ownership structure remains private, what matters most is AliDropship's dedication to its users. They've assembled a team of experts who are passionate about making dropshipping accessible and successful for everyone. So, if you're considering AliDropship as your launchpad for your dropshipping journey, you can be confident that you're partnering with a company with a proven track record and a clear vision for the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.